Welcome everyone. Now as we have seen in the last tutorial how to add resistor, capacitor and the transistors and diode. Now the main and the crucial component we are going to work with. It's an IC. Comes in a huge array of different package type. Through holes devices are much easier to use, generally being dual inline package, unless they are 3-pin devices, in which case they use transistor package. So we are going to learn how to place an component or an IC on a SMT in a dip package in a Eagle schematic diagram. So let me first of all select the delete and delete it. So now on the other hand, there are many standard size of SMD ICs. Many are too small to attempt hand soldering. However, we will just cover the devices with pin spacing large enough to solder by hand here. When finding an IC to add to a schematic, you will often find the same IC part number is available in a number of packages, both through holes and SMD. So let me show you how to add through hole ICs or a dual inline ICs. So let me first of all remove this. Okay, you can enter. So here's again all the components in front of you. So I'm going to show you a couple of DIL IC package. These can be up to 40 pin and the most common sizes are 8 pins, 14 pin, 16 pin, 20 pin, 28 pin and 40 pin. Most have a gap of 0.3 inches between the two row of pin, but some of the bigger devices has a 0.6 inch gap. So now I am going to show you other package type do not have the lead in the conventional sense, but rather pads underneath the match up with pads on the PCB. These packages are only really suitable for soldering using solder paste and an oven. This I am talking about the SMD ICs. These are the few major styles of SMD IC package as summarized, like SO, SOIC, SOP, MSOP, VSOP, TSOP and TQFP. I am going to give you a detail of notes of these package afterwards. If you accept to be soldering your board by hand, then you probably should stick to the SO package type. You will find some techniques that will allow you to solder some really small patch devices. So I am going to show you how to add an ICs. Suppose you are working with an Atmega IC. This IC is manufactured by the Atmel Corporation. So here I can directly see it's an Atmel Corporation's library. Here I am going to show you, like suppose I am going to work with the 18E series. So let me choose 18E13. It will be much smaller and the size you can use it. It's a 8-pin IC. So here you can see DIL08. It's an dual inline package IC of 8 pin. I make it okay. So here you can see the schematic or the symbolic diagram of a dual inline package IC of 18E13 of Atmel. Now I am going to show you the SMD package of the same IC. You can see it's a tiny 1320 SSU. It's again an SMD package. You can see here it's one SSU package and this one is SU package, and this one is 10 PU package, then 10 SU package. So these are similarly same. So I am going to show this is in this always remains the same, but when I move you to the board diagram, here it is, you can see clearly how the dip package and how the SMD package looks like. So for rotation, I am rotating it. Let me zoom it for you. Here it is. So you can see it's a dual inline package and it's an SMD package. So this is actually automatically showing the connections. I will talk and teach you about this afterwards. So this is a process you can add the ICs on a board of your layout and your schematic diagram. Next we are going to learn how to add connectors to the schematic diagram and the board.